Hello friends, welcome to another video of Dr. Pharma. In this video, we will discuss about the melanizing agents and the demelanizing agent. Before we begin this video, let's have a look at the process melanogenesis for an easy understanding of this video. The melanogenesis, it is a complex process by which the pigment melanin is produced in melanosomes by melanocytes. The melanosomes are specific organelles in which melanin pigment is synthesized and deposited. The melanin is produced as a response to UVB radiation in order to prevent the damage to DNA. Tyrosinase is an important enzyme in this process. Let's begin. The melanizing agents. These agents are mainly used for diseases like vitiligo and are applied to the vitiliginous patches for enhancing the melanin production. These agents increases the sensitivity to solar radiation and promote the repigmentation of the vitiliginous areas of skin. Soralin, methoxylin, trioxylin are the commonly used melanizing agents. Soralin is a natural derivative which is obtained from the seeds of Soralia caulifolium. Methoxylin and trioxylin are the synthetic derivative obtained from the soralin. And these agents can be either be applied as oral therapy or topical therapy. In topical therapy, solution or ointment painted on the vitiliginous lesion, which is then exposed to sunlight for 1 minute and then occluded by bandage or sunscreen ointment. In oral therapy, after 20 mg oral dose of soralin, skin is exposed to sunlight initially for 50 minutes, gradually increasing to 30 minutes. And the demelanizing agent. These agents decrease the production of melanin in the skin. They lighten the hyperpigmented patches on skin. The hydroquinone is one of an important demelanizing agent. It is a weak hypopigmenting agent. It inhibits tyrosinase and other melanin forming enzymes, increase the degradation of melanosomes, and skin irritation, rashes, allergy are common ADR. And the monobenzone. It is a derivative of hydroquinone and potent demelanizing agent. Destroys melanocytes and causes permanent depigmentation. Its action is somewhat irregular. Ugly depigmented patches can appear. Erythema, eczema are the common area. And the next one is azelaic acid. It's a drug for acne. Also used in hyperpigmentary disorders including melasma. It acts by inhibiting melanin forming enzyme tyrosinase. It's weak demelanizing agent.